Good morning, students. I hope all of you have done the previous topics of your maths class now. Now we are coming to the very important part of your class 9th mathematics, that is geometry. If you study geometry, there are more than 7 chapters. Chapter number 5, Euclid's division lemma. Chapter number 6, lines and angles. Chapter number 7, triangles, quadrilaterals, areas related to parallelogram, construction, circles. Definitely 2 chapters have been taken away from your syllabus, that is chapter number 5 and chapter number 8, quadrilaterals. So we are not going to discuss about that, but rest of the units of your class 9 geometry are very important. Rather, 9th class geometry is more important than class 10th, because the concepts that we study over here, they are going to be applied everywhere. Okay, so you have to be very careful in practicing them and in learning them. Alright, students, so we are going to study about them. Lines and angles. All of you know what are lines, what are angles. You have studied about various kinds of lines, various kinds of triangles, right? I can draw several number of lines on the board, correct? These are 2 lines, 1, 2. They are what? Parallel lines. They do not seem to intersect each other. If I draw another line, they are what? Intersecting lines. Yes, several number of lines you have discussed, several number of types of angles you have discussed. You know that whenever an angle is made, whenever there is a line and some angle is made on the line, the sum of these 2 angles is how much? 180 degree, supplementary angles. Remember? And these 2 angles are called adjacent angles because they have a common arm. Isn't it? Yes. Then you have discussed about vertically complementary angles when the sum of 2 angles is 90. This angle and this angle gives the sum what? 90. We say they are what? Complementary angles. You have done all these questions in class 8, 7th. You have done various kind of angles. Supplementary angles, complementary angles, straight angle, complete angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, parallel lines, intersecting lines. You have done all these 3 angles. Along with that, you have also done several number of angles when 2 lines intersect each other. Vertically opposite angles formed are equal. This angle is equals to this angle. This angle is equals to this angle. Vertically opposite angles. Isn't it? You have discussed about adjacent angles. You have discussed about when these 2 lines are there, this angle is equals to this angle. Isn't it? Alternate interior angles. This angle is equal to this angle. Alternate interior angles. You have done all these kinds of examples, all these kind of things in class 7 and 8. We are not going to discuss. But here in class 9th, we are going to discuss, sir, why? You are saying vertically opposite angles are equal. Why? How? Correct? How they are equal, sir? How do we know? Now in class 9, we are coming down to theorems of your syllabus. Theorems. What are theorems? We know they are the facts in mathematics, but there is a specific proof. I always say in mathematics, nothing comes from top. Nothing comes from top. Everything has a reason behind. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Sir, why vertically opposite angles? Just because the teacher told us. No. There is a reason behind it. We say, sir, Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Why? Teacher told us. No. There is a reason, there is a concept behind it. There are certain mathematical proofs that several number of scientists have worked before us, long back ago, and they have given us the proofs. So in mathematics is the only subject in which we have the proof of all of them. If something is equal to this, there is a reason. So now here, certain number of theorems are there which we need to prove. They are a part of your syllabus. They can be asked in exam. So you also need to prove those theorems. And the first theorem of your chapter geometry, in other words, unit geometry, the first theorem that comes out is on page number, is on page number 94, theorem number 6.1. Page number 94, theorem number 6.1. It says, if two lines intersect each other, comma, then the vertically opposite angles formed are equal. If two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles formed are equal. Yes, but how? How? That is given to you in the proof. That is given to you in the proof. We are going to prove it. If two lines intersect each other, comma, then vertically opposite angles formed are equal. Then vertically opposite angles are equal. This is your statement and we are going to prove it. Your teacher taught you in lower classes 2 plus 2 is equals to 4, but if I ask you to prove it, there are reasons. 2 plus 2, our teacher must have drawn two lines and count 1 and 2. That is counting method. Then in higher classes you were taught about addition and subtraction. The same way, this we know. But how? So I am making the same figure that is given to your textbook, so it will be easier for you to understand. Say this is one line and this is another line. A, B is a line segment and second line is C and D. And both of them are intersecting at a point O. Can you see that? So what is given to us? We are given lines AB and CD intersect at O. What we have to prove? That the vertically opposite angles formed are equal. Which are vertically opposite angle? Angle AOC. Can you see this angle? Iske opposite, was vertically opposite to this one is this angle. That is angle BOD. Right? So what we have to prove? Angle AOC equals to angle BOD, or these two angles are also opposite to each other. Angle AOD equals to angle BOC. This is what we have to prove. Construction not required. Everything is constructed for us. Proof. Now see, this is the method of proving an identity, proving a theorem. 4 steps. Given what is given, figure what you have to prove, what is the construction if any required, and your proof. Now we will be giving the proof. So what I am going to do, this is the method you need to follow for proving the identities or proving the theorems. Clear, students? This is the way we do mathematics. It's not that we do it any way we want. Alright, so let us see. I am numbering these numbers, angles, angle number 1, angle number 2, angle number 3 and angle number 4. Okay? So what we see is geometry becomes very easy if we have the observation. If we can observe what is given to us. That's it. Clear? If our observation is clear, we feel geometry. Some students say, sir, geometry is not tough. We do not know which angle equal to what, how, kaise. But geometry is very, very easy if we can see, if we can observe. You have to see very, very carefully. Forget what they are telling us to find. Just see the figure carefully. For example, if I take a look at this figure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 angles are there to me. And I can see 2 lines. So as soon as I see 2 lines, first thing, sir, line pe angle ka sum kitna? 180. Yes or no? So I can see, this was the first line I drew. AB. So can you see these 2 angles? What is the sum of these 2 angles? Sir, 180 is a straight angle. Yes? Which was the next line? So this was the next line, CD. What is the sum of these 2 angles? 180. Can we write it? Yes. And we call these kind of what? Linear pair or supplementary angles. From proof, from figure, angle number 1, or you can see this first of all, line AB, angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to 180. Reason, write down, reason is very important. Linear pair. You know what is linear pair? When the sum of angles on a line, when a pair of angles, pair means what? 2. When a pair of angles give the sum 180, we say what? It is a linear pair. So 1 plus 2 is equals to, same way, which was the next line, sir? This one, 1 and 2. And angle 1 plus angle 2 is also what? 180. Reason, linear pair. Angle 1 plus 2 is also 180. And angle 2 plus 3 is also 180. Isn't it? Is the right hand side of the two equations equal? Yes. If the right hand side is equal, left hand side is also equal. Equation number first, equation number second. So from equation first and second, if the right hand side is equal, left hand side is also equal, angle number 2 plus angle number 3 is equals to angle number 1 plus angle number 2. Angle 2 and angle 2 both are cancelled. What is left? Angle 3 is equals to angle 1. Which is angle 3? BOD. Which is angle C1? AOC. Is BOD equals to AOC? Yes. So therefore, I'll write it over here only. So therefore, angle BOD is equals to angle AOC. Hence, proved that vertically opposite angles are equal. Simple proof. Everything has a reason. Nothing can be changed. When we are talking about theory, theorem, everything has a reason behind. And on this theorem, your entire exercise 6.1 is based. Linear pair, we know what are vertically opposite angle. That's it. We just have to observe the figures very carefully, and there will not be any difficulty. There will not be any difficulty. You will find the figures very easy. Your observation needs to increase. When we see a movie, do we observe very carefully? What Salman Khan is wearing, what kind of a bracelet he is wearing, and this and that. Isn't it? The same way we have to observe, nothing else. Clear? Check first question, exercise 6.1. Very simple questions are there. Very simple questions. Exercise 6.1. First question. Read it and draw the figure. He says, in the given figure, lines AB and CD intersect at O. If you observe the figure, this is line AB and this is line CD. Intersect at what? O. Any problem? So here, as soon as we see two lines intersecting, what do we see? Vertically opposite angles are equal. The sum of opposite angles, sum of angles on a line is how much? 180. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Can we see that? We don't have to think anything. We just have to see. What is given to us? First thing given to us. Lines AB and CD intersect at O. Correct? One more thing is given. Angle AOC plus BOE. Angle AOC plus angle BOE is equals to 70. This is given to us. We'll make it. And angle BOD is 140. Angle BOD is equals to 40. And he's telling us to find a few angles. Find. What do we need to find? We need to find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. Isn't it? Forget. Now whatever we have to find. Construction not required, and everything is constructed for us. Proof. Solution. Check over here. What is given to us? So two lines were intersecting. These two lines are intersecting. So can I see vertically opposite angles form? Can I see that this angle is equal to this angle? Can I see that this angle is equal to this angle? Yes, sir. Isn't it? Then he says angle BOD is 40. Where is BOD? Somewhere over here, sir. BOD. Can you see that? This angle is 40. This is not a line, only a ray. Right? And angle AOC, that is this angle, plus BOE. I have made a mistake, I suppose. This is E. Sorry. This is E. BOD is 40. Sorry. BOD is 40. Yes, this is 40. Right? Correct? So we can see, sir, if this was 40, I'll remove this line for a minute. If this was 40, can you find this angle, another angle equal to 40? Which one? AOC. Is this angle also going to be 40? Reason? Vertically opposite angles. We have just proved. Can you see that? Write it down. Angle BOD is equals to 40 given to us. So therefore, angle BOD equals to angle AOC. Angle AOC is equals to 40. Reason? Vertically opposite angles. Any problem? Isn't it? So I have marked in the figure. Then one more thing was given, angle AOC plus BOE. AOC plus BOE. These two angles give the sum how much? 70. And angle AOC plus angle BOE equals to 70. That is given to us in the question. Given to us. AOC, how much is AOC? We have just calculated how much? 40. So 40 plus angle BOE is equals to 70. Plus 40 comes over here, minus 40. So angle BOE is equals to 70 minus 40. 70 minus 40 is how much? 30. Sir, this angle is, I have calculated how much? Sir, 30. Isn't it? Yes. Now he says find angle BOE. Where is BOE? BOE. Again, sir, BOE to 730. First answer. First answer done. BOE is 30. Then he says reflex angle COE. COE. So this is not the reflex angle. Reflex angle you have studied. Reflex angles are more than 180, less than 360. So can we find this angle? It is not reflexive. When we find it, we will find. So how? Check. Is this a straight line? AB? Bola the question mein. AB and CD are two lines intersecting each other. So this is a straight line. So what is the sum of these three angles? 180. That is supplementary. Isn't it? Can we find this angle? Now, angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE is equals to 180. Reason? Supplementary angles. Angle AOC is how much? 40. Angle COE we do not know. Angle BOE we have calculated 30. 40 plus 30, 70. Plus angle COE is equals to 180. Plus 70 goes over here. Minus 70. The angle COE equals to 180 minus 70. That is 110. Is this reflex angle? No. This is 110. He was telling us to find the reflex angle, and reflex angle definition we all know. Reflex angle is equals to more than 180, less than 360. So that means the rest of the angle will be reflex angle. Yes. So therefore, reflex angle COE is equals to 360 degree minus angle COE. So 360 degree minus 110, that is how much? 250 degree. Can you see? If we make the figure carefully and everything will be so visible to us. Nothing new. First and the foremost thing was that two lines were intersecting. So as soon as two lines are intersecting, intersecting. Right now we have proved vertically opposite angles formed are what? Equal. Students, you need to copy this statement. You need to solve this. It is a part of your syllabus. Exam में आ सकता है prove करने के लिए. Okay, you have to do it. Let us come back to some more questions. Interesting questions, very easy questions. Question number 3, if I talk about, you can do this question. In the given figure, angle PQR is equals to PRQ, then prove that something. Very simple question. Figure is given to us. This is the figure. Correct? Triangle PQR. This is P, this is Q, this is R, this is S, and this is T. Isn't it? Yes. What is given to us? We are given angle PQR is equals to angle PRQ. Angle PRQ. Which are these two angles? Let us identify. PQR. PQR, that is this angle, equals to PRQ. PRQ, that is this angle. Both these angles are equal. I name it as X. Both of them are equal. Let it be XX. So what we have to prove? We have to prove that angle PQS is equals to angle PRT. That is this angle equal to this angle. We have to prove. So there is no vertically opposite angle. What were vertically opposite angles? When two lines intersect each other. There are no lines intersecting. This is a complete line. Yes, if I produce this line, then we can say vertically opposite angle will be formed. Isn't it? So here it is not. Then what do we do? Recall. Linear pair was there, one more. Let us see that if we have linear pair. Can you see at point Q? Just check at Q. What is the sum of these two angles? 180. Is it a straight line? Got it. Construction. Proof. At point Q. At point Q. Can you see that? Angle PQS plus angle PRQ equals to 180. Reason? Linear pair. Equation number, or I will not name it equation number 1 over here. So therefore, angle PQS plus X is equals to 180. We had assumed it as X, PQR. Equation number first. Yes or no? Similarly, at point R. At point R. Angle PRT plus angle PRQ is equals to 180. Reason same, linear pair. So therefore angle PRT plus PRQ. How much is PRQ? X is equals to 180. Equation number second. Check equation first and second. Is the right hand side equal? So left hand side is also equal. So from equation first and second, angle PQS plus X is equals to angle PRT plus X. X and X cancel. So angle PQS is equals to angle PRT. Hence proved. Simple questions. Nothing new. All the questions of the exercise are same here. No new things are there. You have to just observe the figures very carefully and you find that the questions are really simple. Only thing is to do is your observation. Increase your observation. Increase your observation. On the very same type of question is question number 4. Question number 4 of your exercise 6.1. He says, in the given figure, x plus y is equals to w plus z. x plus y is equal to w plus z. So this is a line. This is one line. A, B. We can see it is a line, but he says prove it. Prove it that it is a line. So when it is a line, when the sum of angle is 180, this is one angle over here, and this is another one. This is C and D. This is C and D. And the angles are given to you, X and Y. This is X, this is Y, this is W, and this is Z. Right? This is W and this is Z. Sorry, this is Z. What is given to us? We are given X plus Y is equals to W plus Z. What we have to prove? We need to prove that it is a what? A line. We need to prove that AOB is a line. That means we need to prove that the sum of these two angles is how much? 180. Either of them. If I prove any of them 180, x plus y, if x plus y equals to 180, will w plus z be also equals to 180? Because it is given. When is a line? When the angles is what? 180. Is it? So this is what we have to prove. So nothing is visible. What do we do? No lines are there. No straight lines are there. Is this a straight line? No. So no vertically opposite angles formed. Isn't it? No vertically opposite angles formed. Then think and observe. Think and observe. Nothing else. Observation, sir. Nothing is visible. No straight means we need to prove that this is 180. How? To check. Is it a complete circle? Yes or no? So what will be the sum of all these angles we have studied in complete angle? X plus y plus z plus w will be how much? 180. We know. 360, sorry. We know. Complete angle is equals to how much? 360 degrees. So therefore, x plus y plus w plus z is equals to 360. Yes or no? From figure. Isn't it? Nothing new. This complete angle, reflex angle, all of them you have studied in class 5, 6, 7. Nothing new. Now check. Is x plus y equals to w plus z or w plus z equals to x plus y? So any of them can be replaced. X plus y plus w plus z. Can I write x plus y? Write down. Because x plus y is equals to w plus z. This is given to us in the question. So w plus z is replaced by what? X plus y. We could have replaced this also. X plus y could have been replaced by w plus z. X plus x, 2x. Y plus y, 2y equals to how much? 360. What is common? 2. What is left? X plus y is equals to 360. 2 is in multiplication, goes in division. X plus y is equals to 360 upon 2. So therefore x plus y is equals to 180. And if x plus y is 180, is w plus z also 180? So therefore x plus y is equals to w plus z is equals to 180. Now check. That means x plus y is how much? 180. That means it is what? Linear pair. We had used the same concept over here. So therefore AOB is a line, hence proved. Because x plus y is making what? A linear pair. Simple. No thinking, no new. We don't know what is 360 degree complete angle. We have studied in lower class. We have studied in lower class. Isn't it? So it is not new. Take a look at question number 3rd. Sorry, we have discussed 3rd, 4th. Take a look at question number 2nd. Second question. Again, figure is given to you. You just have to observe. You don't have to do anything, students. You just need to observe. Nothing else. It says in the given figure, lines XY and MN. He is telling you that two lines are there. One is XY, one is MN. I'll use the space of the board so that questions can be fitted. Question number 2. Lines XY and MN intersect at O. Right? This is one line, XY, and this is another line. XY, and this is another line. M and N intersect at O. Clearly mentioning two lines. So again, he is telling two lines, so vertically opposite triangles will be equal. What is given? Lines XY and MN intersect at O, given to us. So can we see vertically opposite triangles formed? They are going to be equal. Then he says if angle POY is 90, this is another. Angle POY is equals to 90. This is given to us. And he says A is to B is ratio 2 is to 3. And A is to B is equals to ratio 2 is to 3. What we need to find? We need to find angle C. Where is A and B? Can you see that A and B? In my book, it is slightly different. So I am not able to identify A. This is A and this is B. The ratio is given. You know ratio 8 plus. Yes. Let the common part be x. Now check this. What is this? It is a straight line. So what should be the sum of these three angles? 180. Yes. Or we can see if this is 90, how much is this also? 90. So A plus B is what? Complementary angles. Or A plus B plus 90 is what? Supplementary angles. Isn't it? Solve it. Simple. You don't have to think. But when you are talking about ratio, construction not required, proof. Let the common part of angle A and angle B be K. Be K. So therefore A is equals to 2K and B is equals to 3K because the ratio was 2 is to 3. So therefore angle A plus angle B plus angle POY is equals to 180. Yes or no? Angle A plus angle B plus POY is 180. Why? Supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. Yes or no? Yes. How much is A? 2K. B 3K is equals to POY. How much is POY? 90, already marked in the figure. Is equals to 180. 2K plus 3K, 5K is equals to 180 plus 90 comes over here, minus 90. Simple calculation. So K is equals to 90 upon 5. Yes? 5 ones are, 5 18s are. So K is equals to 18. So can I find the two angles A and B? So therefore angle A is equals to 2K. So 2 into 18, 18 2s are 36. Angle B is equals to 3K. 3 into 18, 18 3s are 54. Check it out. 54 plus 36 is giving 90. Yes. Now he was talking about angle C. So where is angle C? This is angle C. This complete is angle C. Right? So you can very well see angle C, 2-3 methods. Can you see this angle C? How much is B plus C? 180. Because MN is what? MN is a line. And what is the sum of angles on a line? 180 we have just proved. Did we prove it in this question? that when it is a line, AOB sum is how much? 180. The angle B plus C is how much? 180. Simple. Because MN is a line, so therefore angle B plus angle C is equals to 180. Angle B we already calculated how much? 54. So 54 plus angle C is equals to 180. Plus 54 goes over here minus, so angle C is equals to 180 minus 54. 10 minus 4 6, 7 minus 5 2, 1. Simple. And angle C was also vertically opposite to this complete angle. The angle A plus 90, how much was A? 36. 36 plus 90, 126. Both the ways you can do. Isn't it? Very simple question. Clear? So it's not new. Everything you have discussed in lower classes, vertically opposite angle, complementary angle, supplementary angle, everything. Clear, students? So 2 questions are left from this exercise. We will be discussing it. But before that, you need to prove this in your notebook, and you need to read the theory given to you before the exercise, that is on page number 90, 91, 92, 93. Read page number 90 to 93. That will be the revision of your lower classes. Collinear, non-collinear, linear pair, supplementary, and everything. Clear? Work hard, practice. It is not difficult, it will be easy. Okay, thank you.